Hi guys!
Hi guys!
Today we have POOPSIE surprise! Alright, today Olivia is going to open up her very first POOPSIE surprise.
Yeah.
This is a unicorn poop. There are 10 magic surprises.
Yeah.
And we can get some of these that are on the cover.
Yeah.
There's a rabbit, a pineapple, either a panda or a puppy, or a princess poop. Ooh. What do you guys think it is? Hit that like and subscribe button so you can get more of these videos.
Hit subscribe to the channel.
Alright, Olivia, are you ready to open this?
Yeah.
Alright. Remember, kids, have an adult help you open, okay?
How to draw open.
Daddy's gonna help Olivia open her poop surprise, and then she can open the rest. Here it is.
Open it.
Yeah, you got it? Alright.
It'll be.
What would it be?
Whoa.
Whoa. Alright. What is this? Cut the top off. There is a unicorn on here. Twist to unlock. Whoa.
Whoa.
That's pretty neat. A little lid. Whoa. Alright. Whoa, what are all these stuff? What is that? And that empty. Alright, we're just gonna open it to see what's in there. Alright?
Let's open the big one.
We're gonna open the big one first.
Yeah.
There you are. Whoa, what is it? It looks like a coconut with an umbrella and a flower and a straw. It's a coconut drink.
Let's open this one.
That looks so cool. All right, we'll open the next one.
Yeah.
Here you are. All right, what is it? What is it? What is it?
It's a pineapple.
It's a pineapple. We got the pineapple that's on here. Yeah. Woohoo.
Open this one.
All right. And next, the last bag. What is it? Yes.
What?
What? What is this?
I don't know.
I don't know either. It looks like a little cup, but we're not sure what it is. Huh.
Open this.
Oh well. Anyways. All right, so we can't find the slime anywhere, but after examining the package a little bit more, it says unroll here. So we're gonna start unrolling here.
Curious.
And here are the magical slime. All right, so we got, wow, we got a magic spoon, a surprise scent, a unicorn magic bag, and a unicorn food. So those are all these things right here.
Yeah. Let's open this.
All right, so now we're gonna make our slime.
Yeah.
So we found out this is a measuring cup for the water. We're gonna add water. Remember, kids, have an adult help you, okay?
Okay.
All right. Daddy's gonna help Olivia. Okay, we gotta fill it up to the line. Right there. Okay, now can you pour it in here?
Yeah.
All right. Good job. All right, one more. One more. We need 30 milliliters of water. And the line is 15, so that means we have to do 2 cups. 15 plus 15 is 30. Good job. All right, now we can put this away. All right.
Open this.
Yeah, now we open this. Ooh. All right, so we have the surprise scent ready.
Yeah.
We're supposed to add 5 drops of this into the water. Okay, here you go. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Open up. All right, now 5 drops. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All right. That's 5 drops. We're gonna close this again. Next, Olivia's gonna open the food packet and pour it in there. All right. Daddy's gonna help. All right. Ooh. All right. You ready?
Yeah.
All right, so now that the food has been poured in it, we're gonna close it and Olivia's gonna shake it up. right, ready? Shake it up. Shake it. Oh no, it's okay. Now we have to let it sit for 10 minutes. So we'll be back in 10 minutes, okay? While we wait for this to set, we're gonna open what's in here. It's a spoon. What kind of spoon is it? Let's see. It's a unicorn spoon. Wow. And we're back.
Hi guys.
So it's been 10 minutes and we're gonna open this to see what slime we got, okay?
Okay.
Ooh. A gooey slime. Ew.
Can I toss it?
Yes, you can.
Yeah.
Yeah, you got slime. All right, you hold on to it, and I'm gonna open this pack for you to put some magic unicorn magic on, okay? Okay, hold on to that.
Squishy.
Squishy. Oh! It's so magical. Pour some magic unicorn dust on this. And we're gonna mix it very well.
Can I toss it?
Yeah, go for it.
Yeah, I like this pink one.
So this is what it looks like after we pour in the unicorn magic dust. And it's just a lot of beautiful pink glitter.
Yeah. And so it's dressy.
So the last thing we're gonna do is these keychains can open from underneath. And we can store slime inside to play with it later. Alright guys, that's all we have for today. Thank you for watching our channel. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button, okay?
Did you want to subscribe to the channel?
Bye everyone!
Bye!